Hi, this is Gary Banner, Senior Market Analyst for True Development here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today is November 13th, and this is your Monday morning market call. Good news, True Development, we've closed on our $41.5 million construction loan with Goldman Sachs, and we have begun our grading at the Cactus Life 1 project site. You can view aerial photography of the construction as it's progressing at our website, www.truedevco.com. Thank you. Some more interesting information that came out in the local news November 8th. And it's regarding the Las Vegas Area 51 minor league baseball team. If you're not familiar with our local sports environment, it's really coming on strong with the inclusion of the Las Vegas Raiders. We now have a professional hockey team and a soccer team here in Las Vegas. And we've had for a number of years the Area 51's minor baseball league. And they will have a new 10,000 seat stadium in downtown Summerlin, the home of True Development. We're here in Summerlin, Las Vegas, as I speak. Great 10,000 seat stadium. Ground is scheduled to, groundbreaking is scheduled for December or early January. There was a waiver obtained and awarded to Howard Hughes Corporation so they can begin grading the site before approval of off-site improvement plans and recording of a final map. The company must have a $5 million insurance in exchange. That's some nice little tidbit for us construction guys on the Areas 51 new stadium. It's a great addition to the Las Vegas market. Recently, Freddie Mac, the GSE for the United States, and I'm speaking specifically to Freddie Mac Multifamily Lending, based out of Washington, D.C., if you will. They recently ran a survey I found very interesting. I'd like to share it with you, if I may. The title of the article, Freddie Mac Survey Reveals Demand Drivers for Rental Housing. A growing number of renters see renting as an option that fits their lifestyle and a savvy choice at many life stages. We're experiencing this empirically, not only in Las Vegas, but in Los Angeles as well. This is an 8% positive response increase to 76% of the respondents said that their renting lifestyle was suitable for them. This is a dramatic lifestyle change that's occurring across the United States. More and more households today of all age groups are finding the lifestyle of renting is more favorable than ownership. And this is why we're seeing the record amount of new renters, U.S. history record amount of new renters for this market. Share some more notes. The results were conducted by a Harris poll and found that the increasing number of renters view renting as a good choice for them increased to 57% compared to 52% 6 months ago. Our study sees two major factors contribute to the increased demand. First and most important is the affordability. The survey finds that nationally those who believe that renting is more affordable has increased by 11 points from 65% to 76% in just 1 year. That satisfaction has increased by more than 10 points across every demographic group, whether it's millennials, Generation X, or baby boomers. All the demographics are finding favorable to rent today. I also want to share the note, and it's very interesting as well, findings in their survey found a declining number of renters said that they are actively working toward home ownership. These numbers dropped to 14% in August of 2017 from the 21% previously reported in January 2016. So not only are the demographics finding it more favorable to rent, more of them are finding or realizing that they do not want ownership in the future. That's a demographic sea change. We'll continue on. I also want to share with you a website by the name of We Are Apartments. This website was sponsored by the National Apartment Association as well as the National Multi-Housing Council. And they did a survey of demand for United States apartments across the country. I just pulled out a small report just covering Las Vegas. Many of you always heard me say, and I'm quite quick with it, that Las Vegas does not have enough apartments. I now have statistical evidence of that, and it's a survey done by the two national associations previously mentioned. Let me just share a few notes with you. This is for Las Vegas. New research shows the demand for apartments is on the rise. This is occurring across the nation, as we know. Whether it's young professionals, couples, families, or empty nesters, the Las Vegas market will need, by year 2030, 40% more in apartment households and in apartment housing. Or to be more specific, we will need 87,000 new apartment households in Las Vegas by 2030. That's taking into account the Las Vegas Raiders. That's taking into account the 43 million in visitors. That's taking into account the 15 billion in capital investment in the state. All these factors add up to the fundamental demand for multifamily housing and apartments in particular. We're expecting another 30%, or 40%, I should say, in population growth, surpassing 3 million in this market. So, I want to wrap it up by saying we have a lot of positive fundamentals that the market has yet to catch up to in the Las Vegas market. We're successfully broken ground on our Cactus Life 1 project, 210 units, plus 21,600 square feet of commercial mixed-use space. We also started grading on our Cactus Life 3 project, 608 units located adjacent to the new Credit One headquarters here in Las Vegas. That's over nearly 1,000 units, and we have very strong interest in projects for the downtown Los Angeles market as well. We're really on the rise. We're out looking for profitable ventures for our investors to make safe and secure profits. We'll see you next time here at True Development in Las Vegas. Have a good investing week.